Whoa. Okay, seeing that you guys haven't seen me before, let me introduce myself. My name's Wally. You definitely recognize my voice from the first few videos that I did back in January about shoes. But seeing that I've got a lot of time in my hands now, seems like it's best fitting for me to make another shoe unboxing review, whatever you want to call it. But I've got the Patta MX1s. We actually have two. Yeah, got lucky, hit two, one from Offspring, one from Foot Patrol in store. But I mean, it's the MX1 Pattas, the Monarchs, the first of 4 colorways. The other one being obviously blue, green, I don't know the official color names, and there's apparently a mystery one, but we'll have to find out and wait and see. But I mean, let's look around the boxes. Obviously you got Patta, got Love for All, Get Familiar, Lobby Hibby. I just found out it translates into Love Life, which I mean it's very fitting with the team Patta, as you can see over there. But yeah, it is overall a good special box. Apparently there's a regular box as well, but I haven't really seen the regular. Regular might be more limited than special, because I mean everyone seems to have special for this, but I haven't seen a regular box for this, which is, yeah, I haven't seen a regular box. But I mean, let's get straight into it. I mean, I've already opened this before, so it's not really a surprise, but you've got your standard receipts. The box got the fist. I don't know what you want to call it with Patta, but it does really similar to Patta itself. And then obviously you've got the shoes. Oh no! I'll pick that up later. But you've got the shoes. Yeah, you've got the OG orange color. It's a bit more dull than what I'd say is the standard orange. You've got the sole over there, very reminiscent of, there was an autumn themed MX1. I forgot what the name was, but it's very similar to this outsole. You've got a creamish out midsole as well. The wave patterns, it fits their sort of motto with this shoe, with the waves not circles. You've got spare laces here as well. You've got the Patta on the tongue and more orange. This is more of an off-white sort of fabric here as well. So overall, it looks a bit dull. I'd say the color looks a bit more disappointing than what it was officially. You've got the orange Nike Air logo at the back as well. See if I don't know if I can show this properly, but the bubble looks a lot like a midnight blue, a very dark navy blue. Yeah, it looks quite nice, but I don't like the top view. I don't like the top view. This bit, it reminds me of a Pitbull, but the waves for sure. That is what probably got a lot of people to like the shoe. The waves patterns, the waves, not circles. It's not a circle around the midsole. It's not very linear. It's not very round. You've got your bumps and lumps.
What?
Not bumps and lumps. You've got your bumps, the waves, leather. This is a mesh around the ankle area as well. Fabric, leather again. This is a suede leather. Yeah, the orange is more of a suede leather. It's soft, but it's not soft at the same time. It's very hard to describe, but I don't know, the mesh is a lot more grey than what it was on the video, the official photos from Nike. I tried to get the insole out, but I don't know if you can see it with the lighting, but it says Patta inside. Probably says the same on the other shoe. The rest of the box, you've got the other shoe. Can't really wear one shoe, can you? If you do, it's very leaky. You've got accessories as well. It's a very fabricy bag. It's almost like fleece, but you've got a sort of, if you can see it over there, I don't know what to say about it. It's like a necklace bracelet. You can put on your shoe. No, you can't put on your neck. It's too small for your neck. Yeah, it's like a it's a bracelet, or you can put on your shoe. You got Patta over here, if you can see it, Nike, and you've got the, I think it's Senegal. I'd probably get butchered if I got it wrong, but I'll probably edit in what the thing is, but yeah, there you have both your shoes. Obviously, come on. But personally, I like the blue colourway a bit more better than the current colourway. This colourway, sorry. Pick up again. This orange isn't really my cup of tea. But yeah, I'd say the blue is more my colour. This orange, it seems like it's easy to wear because it's more dull than being a very bright orange. Yeah, it's surprising how different it looks from the Nike official photos. Not too different, but it's just the orange doesn't look like the same orange. It doesn't hit like the other orange, man. Probably a big hype killer for this was people expecting it to be very limited. Apparently a stock number was 20,000 for this pair, but apparently sneakers in US got 20,000 pairs. So how does that make sense? But yeah, till next time, hopefully I'll make it more regular. Probably should have made a video with the Travis Scotts over there. But till next time, on to the next shoe. Peace.